Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can share large files or large video on your Gmail. Alright, so if you know Gmail, you cannot share something which is more than 5 MB. They can share it, they don't allow you to share it, but through a process I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. Alright, so you can share any file or any video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, what you want to do is after you open Gmail, what you want to do is just close Gmail, right? Because in Gmail you cannot send more than like 5 MB. So close Gmail and you want to go to this thing called Drive. Alright, so Drive is like a video or any folder uploading website, or like an app developed by Google itself. Alright, so it's created by the own company which Gmail is created by. So click on where it says sign in Google Drive and create a Google account, or if you already have a Google account, it's going to straight up log in into it. Once you're over here on Drive, you can upload a video. You can easily upload a video. In Drive, you can click on where it says new, click on file upload. Once you click on it, you can choose whichever video or whichever folder you want to upload. So I chose a video over here which is more than 5 MB over here. So if I want to share it in somebody's like Gmail, I can right click on it, click on share. Once I click on share over here, what I can do is write any email of a person over here. So I'm gonna write this email over here real quick. Once you write this Gmail over here, what you can do is click on it, and you can even write them a message over here. Hey, this is my video. If I click on send, it's gonna be sent to this person on its email. So I'm gonna click on send over here. Now wait for some time. Now I'm gonna go to my own Gmail one step to see if it has been sent or not. So I'm gonna go on my Gmail over here, and as you guys can see, the video has been sent over here like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send large videos or large folder on Google. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys get How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.